Let's talk first about what's happening now with Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, already a billionaire. I don't even know how many times over at this point. Is this just another distraction with OpenAI and this lawsuit?
I think it is, Dom, and I think the market will quickly turn to other issues. I mean, I thought the more important news was the announcement that they are reducing or adding incentives in China and to lower prices and increase demand. But, you know, his distractions would probably put most of us under the table, but he just moves on. And I was at the Mega Factory thanks to the folks at RBC this week. And there is a lot of promising stuff going on at that company.
What exactly is the promising stuff? And we already know that you're bullish, and we know that you're long the stock, and you have a vested interest in this stock going higher. But what makes you that much more bullish? What did you see that made you feel like this is something that you want to keep on accumulating?
Well, so the Mega Factory makes battery storage, basically utility grade battery storage. So these big walls of batteries that will really change the way that electric utilities operate and should reduce outages, as well as all the forest fires that we've been seeing over the years. In the Master Plan 3 presentation that Tesla made a year ago, they estimated that battery storage could account for 35% of total fossil fuel reduction. That's versus 21% for the car. Add to that, they only have a 15% market share, but they have a cost advantage of about 30% due to their vertical integration efforts and cost reductions, obviously. And so this is now the fastest growing, most profitable business at Tesla, and some estimate will be worth 1.5 times the car business in the not too distant future.
What that's a huge thesis for the bull side of things. One of the reasons for the downside as of late over the shorter to medium term for Tesla has been the concerns about China. Hyper-competitive market out there right now. We have a lot of maybe even price wars, you want to call them, going on over there right now, and a slowing EV demand picture here in America. How does all that counter out? And maybe the price does reflect why those issues have become more front and center.
Yeah, no, it's a real concern. I mean, we initiated our position during the last distraction, which was the X acquisition. We bought it last January at about $105 a share. And that was a short-lived distraction. And so I think what you have to pay attention to with this company is where is the technology going and where are they going to see the growth? And if they can grow this business half as fast as they think they can, it will solve so many problems with renewables and usage of renewables at, on a 24-hour per day schedule. And so they are already monetizing it to a great degree. It's a nascent industry. So I really think that's where investors are missing some of the focus and what they're reacting to the headlines on the slowing EV demand around the globe. And I get it. I mean, I just leased a car in the UK and it was a nightmare trying to find the charging stations, not being familiar with the territory. So
Sure.
They're not for everyone. But I think we learned people want to buy Teslas more than they want to buy EVs.